Grow and monetize your fan pages on 10 biggest social and blog platforms. LinkedIn. Generate viral content with just one click. Generate best hashtags to get your posts discovered. Get sales and leads from any link posts. Hot. Automatically discover new, hot content and auto-post to your social media pages and blogs, including auto-post to Instagram without a phone. Hot. Manage your posts in a calendar view. Discover the influencers and competitors in your niche. Get juicy SEO backlinks from social networks. Fanpagerobot is the social media dashboard that many successful marketing firms use to manage and grow fan pages for their clients. More followers, more revenue in less time. Join us now. The results-driven social media services. I have tried many other social media tools and Fanpagerobot is absolutely my favorite. Fanpagerobot has a very easy-to-use interface and automated functions that deliver results. I doubled my happy birthday memes followers in just 4 weeks with almost no work. Robert Vircher. Net page like stats from happy birthday memes. Before joining us, small fanbase, 17 new daily followers, managed by manual posting. 4 weeks later, 200,000 plus post reaches and 1,000 plus new followers, that is 36 new daily followers. Disclaimer, as with any business, your results may vary. Not your average social media dashboard. The social media auto poster to grow and monetize your social accounts. One-click viral content generator. Make your blogs and fan pages highly engaging with the web's newest and the most exciting content using any target keywords. Various content sources: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, YouTube, Google, and even any specific websites and social media fan pages you want. Provides you with the most search trending keywords on Google in the current hour. Notifies you when there is new, hot content on your keywords. You can directly post content from your inbox. Supports any languages you know. Made for social media managers and experts. Marketing automation on social media pages. Sets you free from the chore of updating Google My Business and your social media accounts. Completely automatic viral content discovery and content creation. Auto-posting from any sources and keyword-based search results to your blogs, websites and social media pages. Auto-posting from your websites to social media accounts without any plugins. No plugin or installation required. Very easy to use. Free advertising and lead generation. A revolutionary method that allows you to place ads on Yahoo, YouTube, or any high-authority web pages for free. The best-kept secret among our users to skyrocket a business. You can use it to bring traffic to your website, grow your email list, increase your followers, promote or sell products. 100 plus stunning and high-converting templates that help you set everything up in a few clicks. Design your own ads or lead pages with our simple yet powerful WYSIWYG and drag-and-drop technologies. No coding or technical skills required. Integrated with your email marketing programs, GetResponse, Sendinblue, MailChimp, iContact, Constant Contact, etc. No additional costs or hidden fees. Only available at Fanpagerobot. Hashtag best hashtags to get more likes and followers. Did you know, tagging is vital to any social media posts? According to a research by Twitter, social posts with hashtags can increase engagement almost 2x for individuals and 1.5x for businesses. But did you use the right hashtags? Fanpagerobot will automatically generate and insert hashtags to your posts based on the picture you upload and or the message you've composed. Help you determine which hashtags will be the most effective for your posts. Show you related hashtags and their average numbers of views, shares, and favorites on Facebook and Twitter. Maximize the exposure of your content. Automated video marketing to increase user engagement. Research by Quintly, a social media analytics firm, found that Facebook native video posts are shared much more often than any other kind of content, and they have averaged 62% more engagement than photos. But are you still manually uploading videos to Facebook? Save time and get better results with our Facebook Auto Poster. Automatically fetch videos from any top social media, video and news sites with one click. Upload videos to Facebook with the highest available quality. Auto-schedule the right time to post. Knowing when to publish a post may mean the difference between it becoming an internet sensation and a big letdown. Our scheduler is as comprehensive as Google Calendar. Manage your social posts in a calendar view. Reschedule or duplicate your posts by easy drag and drop. Auto-determine the best time to post for your social media pages. Research influencers and competitors. The influencers can impact your business and help you create content that resonates with your audience. fanpagerobot will help you. Discover the top influencers and competitors in your niche using your keywords. Spy on your competitors and research their campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Auto-post to WordPress, Blogger, and Shopify. Auto-post to your WordPress site without any plugins. No matter it is your e-commerce site hosted on a hosting, or your blog on WordPress.com. Generate long posts to fill your websites with SEO keywords. Help you create a blog category for social listening and media aggregation. Auto-create content and auto-post to Blogger, Blogspot, without any add-ons, and auto-post to Shopify for SEO. A WYSIWYG visual editor is available for you to edit WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, and Shopify blog posts. HTML is supported. All-in-one social media auto-poster Instagram. Become a smarter marketer today and start to auto-post to Facebook, auto-post to Instagram without a phone, generate automatic tweets, automatically post from websites to Google My Business, GMB, automatically create posts on Google, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Tumblr. fanpagerobot integrates all the largest social media networks on the web. You can connect every Facebook fan page or Facebook group you have with a Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google My Business, LinkedIn, and Tumblr account. As with our WordPress and Blogger integration, when you post to multiple social media accounts, you can customize the text for each of them. Why you should switch now. More followers, more revenue in less time. Save time. Do you have too many social pages and groups but no time to manage them? Put them on the fully automatic mode, allowing you to save the time would otherwise spend finding topics and posting content. Increase revenue. fanpagerobot helps you generate leads and increase revenue automatically. Social media pages plus online store, AdSense, affiliate equals goldmine. Draw more traffic. The content curation tool gives you only timely and compelling content. It will increase your users' engagement with your fan pages. The campaign building tool will boost your website traffic. Boost SEO. Do you know we integrate with some popular platforms and networks that will give you instant to follow backlinks? fanpagerobot will help you boost your search engine rankings. No learning. There are no steep learning curves here. Our program is so simple that anyone can jump in and start seeing results straight away. Unlimited social pages. Managing social media accounts for your clients? Got new fan page ideas? Build as many social pages and Facebook groups as you want with the unlimited plan. fanpagerobot does the hard work for you. Lowest cost. Like many other websites, we constantly add new features and all of them come with no additional cost. And you can cancel at any time by yourself. Still unsure? We provide a no-risk refund policy, no questions asked. Any languages. Our content curator and auto poster tools support pretty much any languages in the world. French, Arabic, Bulgarian, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, Swedish, Hebrew, German. The secret tool used by the successful marketing firms for their clients. 30-day no-risk 100% money-back guarantee.